Hello madam, my name is Logopriya Aridas and my matrix number is A19A0249. Now, I'm going to talk regarding the knowledge I gained from studying agribusiness subject, which is ACS 3043, and also the information I have gained through the farm visit. Agriculture is the most healthful, most useful and the most noble employment of a man. Agriculture was the beginning of civilization, and agriculture is still highly essential today, despite the fact that humankind has changed greatly. Agribusiness refers to the businesses that are involved in agriculture or produce farm inputs. Farm machinery production, seed supplies and fertilizers are examples of agribusiness. The term agribusiness is commonly used to describe huge agricultural corporations as opposed to small independent farmers. Agribusiness firms, on the other hand, might be huge or small, corporate or independent. Agribusiness covers the full process of bringing an agricultural product to market, including production, processing and distribution. Although agricultural products may be exported, this business is a vital part of the economy in countries with cropland. The various aspects of raising agricultural goods are treated as an integrated system in agribusiness. Animals are raised and harvested by farmers. Farmers use sophisticated harvesting techniques, including the use of GPS to direct operations to grow animals and to harvest fruits and vegetables. Not only that, manufacturers are developing high-efficient self-driving devices. The best approach to clean and package livestock for transport is determined by processing plants. While each segment of the industry is unlikely to touch directly with customers, they are all focused on running their businesses efficiently in order to keep prices down. Not only that, consumer preferences influence what items are cultivated and raised. A change in the consumer's taste away from meat, for example, it might lower the demand for beef and hence it lower the prices, while rising demand for produce could change the mix of fruits and vegetables that farmers raise. Businesses that are unable to adapt quickly enough to meet domestic demand may consider exporting their products. They may not be able to compete and stay in business if this fails. Many agriculture enterprises are under increasing pressure to stay relevant and profitable while adjusting to the dangers posed by large-scale variation in weather patterns as a result of climate change. Let's have a look at the agribusiness challenges. Global competition puts constant pressure on countries with agricultural businesses, especially for the current situation, COVID-19 pandemic. For example, grains, corn and soybeans are commodities that are incomparable in different parts of the world. Agribusiness should run more effectively to be competitive, which also require investment in new technologies, new method of fertilization and watering crops, and also new ways of connecting to the global market. Agricultural commodity prices around the world can fluctuate rapidly, making the production planning a difficult task. Farmers may also face less productive land when suburban and urban areas spread into their locations. One of the best ways to overcome these challenges are the use of new technology. New technology can help to maintain the competitive in the global agribusiness market, as it is essential. To remain competitive, farmers must lower crop costs and also boost their production per square acre, ability to damage or heal. For example, farmers that prioritize biodiversity on their farmland will benefit the environment. More biodiversity leads to healthier soil, reduced erosion, improved water conservation, and happier pollinators. This is all good news for the environment as a whole and emphasizing the importance of agriculture in the life cycle. That's all from me, madam. Thank you.